Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Umamusume Pretty Derby game not launching or not opening, unable to open, stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's find the solution. So the very first method is to restart our PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on Steam arrow icon below and select Steam, right click on it, click on exit, or you can also click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So simply click on it and you have to wait for some time. And once the verification is completely done, now try to launch the game and check whether the game is launching or opening or not. Just wait for some time and all the files are verified. After that, click on the play button to check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So first of all, check if the game is listed. So the game is listed over here. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for check for updates, and this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, wait for some time, and after your Windows is updated, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to lower the graphics settings. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here in the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for graphics settings list. After that, you have to add the game to the list first. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, you have to select it. Now after searching for them, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after selecting high performance, launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. So whatever option you get, click on it. Now click on yes, wait for some time, and once you get setup successful message, now close this. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for view advanced system settings. After that, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and then a maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option. After that, click on settings. After that, click on downloads. After that, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. Confirm it. After that, log into Steam once again using your username and password, and then try to log into the game and play it and check if it's working. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. But if when after trying all the above methods the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, click on uninstall option once again. This will delete the game from PC. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Umamusume Pretty Derby game, and finally click on the play button to check if it's working now.